Hello, it's that time of year again. It is time for back to school hairstyles. These looks are not only quick, easy, but they are going to last you all day long. Plus, I'm going to share with you how to save so much time on your hair prep in the morning so that you can get out of the door on time. Definitely let me know which of these looks was your favorite, and I will link my previous back to school hair tutorials below. All right, let's get started. First tip is dry your hair with a microfiber towel. If you haven't already made this switch yet, I highly recommend it. These will not only save you so much time, but they are a lot less damaging on your hair. Now, today's video is sponsored by Kitsch, and I'm so excited because I've been using their microfiber towels forever. I love them so much. I even got one for my mom. They're just super soft. They're very absorbent. This is the one I used this morning, and it's still quite wet, and I love how nice and light they are on your head. But what really sold me on the microfiber towels is once I remove them from my hair is already about 60% dry, which cuts my blow dry time down in half and reduces the amount of heat that I need to use. My next tip, you're gonna love these, is use microfiber towel scrunchies. I just throw my hair into a loose bun while I'm getting ready, and then this just helps to absorb all of the excess water, and when I'm finished getting ready, I take it out of my hair, and my hair is about 90% dry, so I only have to blow dry it for a few minutes, or you can let it air dry and it's not gonna be like dripping wet all over you. Okay, I have to share this. This is the best part. So if you wear the towel scrunchies on your wrist while you're washing your face, you don't have to worry about water dripping down your arms or getting into your sleeves. I just think it's so genius. I had to share. And my last tip is sleep with a satin pillowcase. Tell me that you've already made the switch, but these have made such a difference in not only the appearance of my hair in the morning, but overall. Especially if I take the time to curl my hair, then this just helps my curls last throughout the week, and I wake up with my hair a lot less tangled and it's still like nice and smooth. But Kitsch's are my go-to. I recommend them to everyone. They're just such great quality for the price. They look beautiful on the bed, and they're not only great for preventing frizz and breakage, but they're also really great for your skin. And if you get this satin sleep set instead of just the pillowcase, you get this really beautiful eye mask, which is great if you don't have blackout curtains like me, and then this little scrunchie that I just keep on my nightstand. And Kitsch was kind enough to provide a discount code, so you can use code ALEX for 20% off the entire site. So I'll link all of my favorites in the description box below if you want to check them out, and definitely let me know if you have any favorites from Kitsch. All right, that's it for the super quick hair prep. Let's turn around and start some hairstyles. First up is a beautiful half-up hairstyle. So begin by gathering all of the hair at the crown of your head and completely sectioning it off. Next, take a small hair elastic and begin securing your hair, and on the last loop, only pull your ponytail partially through to create a bun. Next, pinch and pull on small pieces of hair on your bun to fan it out and around your crown if you want to add more volume and detail. Then place your fingers at your part, and you want to trace down about 1 inch below your previous section and then completely section it off. And so you should have 2 pieces like this, one on each side. Then smooth your side sections down and secure them together with a small hair elastic. Next, flip your ponytail up and pull it through to create a topsy tail. And you guessed it, pinch and pull on small pieces, especially along the sides, to loosen up the look. Then slide your hair elastic down just a little bit so it sits near the bottom of your bun. And then with your right hand, come in from underneath your topsy tail, twist it a half twist counterclockwise, and then grab onto your bun and pull it through that hole you created. And then tighten your hair elastic underneath, and there we have it. I love how simple and beautiful this hairstyle is. It's definitely one of my favorites. Next up is a twisted ponytail. This hairstyle is so fun to recreate. So begin by gathering all of the hair above your ears, leaving some down to cover them for now. Then secure your hair into a half up look and pinch and pull the hair around the crown to loosen up the style. Next, gather that lower section of hair and divide it into 2 equal pieces. And then bring those sections up and secure them over top of your previous ponytail. Then pull that ponytail up and pull it through the hole to create a topsy tail. And then slide your hair elastic down just a little bit because you want to be able to come up from underneath your topsy tail with your right hand and then twist it a half twist counterclockwise, and then grab onto your ponytail and pull it all the way through that hole you created. And then tighten your lower elastic so it covers the one below, and just pinch and pull on any pieces to add some more detail. And there you have it. It's such a beautiful way to switch up your everyday ponytail. Next, we have a low bun. It's so quick and easy. So begin by securing your hair into a low ponytail, and then on that last loop, only pull your ponytail partially through to create a bun. Now, pinch and pull on your bun and your hair around the crown to make it loose, make it effortless, and then take your ends and separate them into 2 equal sections. And then bring your ends up the sides of your bun and tie them together at the top, just like the first step of tying your shoe. Then bring your ends down, and you want to pull them through your hair elastic and then just tuck them up out of the way. Go ahead, fan out your bun, mess it up, and there you have it. Super quick, easy, and you can even just do this hairstyle on the go. This is another beautiful half-up hairstyle. So gather all the hair at the crown of your head and completely section it off. Oh, and feel free to scoop up more hair if you like. And once your section is gathered, what you can do is section off the bottom part so that more hair is hanging down. Next, secure it with a small hair elastic, and with your index finger and thumb, make a hole just above your elastic, and then flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through that hole to make another topsy tail. Then hold your elastic with one hand and begin making small pinches throughout your topsy tail, and you want these mostly to be in the center, and then of course pull out some hair around your crown to add some volume. Next, gather about 2-inch sized sections from both sides of your ponytail and completely section them off, and then just secure them together just below your previous hair elastic. And you want to create another topsy tail, and this time you want to pull it nice and tight when finished. So now go ahead, pinch and pull on your twists, make them as large or as small as you like. Now to hide my elastic, I tightly wrapped a small piece of hair around it, and then I slid a bobby pin through the back of my elastic to secure it. But a scrunchie would look super cute too. I love the detail of this hairstyle. It's so simple yet beautiful, and this will last you all day long. Next is a ponytail hack to create a big, voluminous ponytail. So begin by gathering all of the hair above your temples and completely section it off. And don't forget to pull out any face framing pieces. I like to smooth my hair with only my hands to create a softer look. Next, tightly secure your section, and with your index finger and thumb, create a hole above your hair elastic. And then flip your hair up and pull it all the way through to create a topsy tail. Alright, once secure, clip your ponytail up out of the way, and then you want to secure your lower section into another ponytail. And pull on the outside of your ponytail to scooch it up towards your topsy tail. Next, unclip your top ponytail, and you want to pull your lower ponytail up through that topsy tail hole. And you'll see, this is going to help perk up your ponytail and create the illusion of very thick, voluminous hair. Next, tighten both your hair elastics, pinch and pull on small sections of hair to add a little more detail. And that's it. I love this hairstyle. It's definitely one that I would wear on repeat for school. It's not a back to school video without a messy bun. So place your fingers in front of your ears and trace upwards to the top of your head. And then scoop up all the remaining hair, and this will keep everything soft and voluminous. Next, secure your hair into a tight ponytail, and I just used a DIY bungee for this, but an elastic is perfect. Then divide your ponytail into 2 equal pieces, and then secure a ponytail over top to create the base of our bun. Awesome, so now you just want to pull on your bun to make it big, make it messy, and then take your right section, loosely twist it away from your face, and then just pull on the twist to loosen it up even more. And then wrap it clockwise around your bun over your left section, and you can either bobby pin your ends into place or tuck them underneath your elastic. And then twist your left section away from your face, wrapping it counterclockwise around your bun and securing your ends into place. And there it is. I love this look. I just think it's so summery and cute. I had to include a braid. I miss braiding. Do you guys miss braided hairstyles? But begin by creating a side part. This will allow for more hair in your braid. Next, trace about 1 centimeter back from your hairline to create those face framing pieces. And then grab a large section of hair from the top of your temples to your part. And we're gonna create a chunky Dutch braid. Now divide this section into 3 equal pieces. And then you wanna bring your right section under the middle. And then you wanna bring your left section under the middle. And then on your next pass, join in about a 1-inch section of hair into your right piece as you cross it underneath, and then repeat on the left side. So continue this pattern while directing your braid slightly downwards towards the back middle of your head. And remember, grab bigger sections. This is quick and easy, and don't worry about it looking too perfect. Once you reach the back of your head, secure your ends with a small hair elastic. Now time to transform the braid. Hold your elastic with one hand, and starting at the top, just begin pinching and pulling on the outside of your braid to make it larger. I really love the illusion of a thick, full braid that this step creates. And you can also pinch on the side sections to loosen them up as well. So I love to hide elastics. Feel free to leave yours, but I took a second hair elastic and I wrapped it around the ponytail. And then the last loop, I created a bun, and I kept one finger in the bottom of the elastic so I could flip my ends up and over and then pull them all the way through to create a simple bun. I just think it's such a special touch. So there it is, a really fun and beautiful side braid. It's such a great way to dress up your hair. Next is a messy half up hairstyle. It's so simple. So begin by gathering all of the hair just below your temples and sectioning it off. Next, begin securing your hair, and if your hair tie goes around 3 times, secure the first time as normal, and then on the second, only pull your hair halfway through to create a bun. And then as you twist your hair tie to secure your hair a 3rd time, you want to flip your ends upwards and then to the opposite side, and then secure it into place. And this should create 2 buns. Next, loosen them up and mess up your buns by pulling on the sides to make them nice and big. And don't forget to pinch and pull the hair around your crown. How beautiful yet simple, and you can use this same technique to make a top knot if you like. Time for the most popular hairstyle of 2020. So toss all your hair back, loosen it up. We want this to be effortless. So gather your hair into a ponytail with your right hand, and you want to wrap the base of it over your index and middle finger on your left hand. And then twist those fingers counterclockwise 1 full turn while bringing your hair up to the top of your head. And then I use my other hand to loosen up that top section because I really love when you can see it from the front. And then secure into place. I love these Kidge claw clips. They are the only ones that truly hold all of my hair in place all day long. So if you have thick, long hair, I highly recommend these. But this is my favorite hairstyle right now. It's so quick and easy, and I just love how effortless it looks. Another fun ponytail, and it's so quick and easy. So for ponytails, I like to scoop my hair up from underneath. This just helps maintain all of the volume on top. Next, secure your ponytail wherever you like and pull out the hair around your crown to add some more volume. So if you want to hide your hair elastic, just wrap a small piece of hair around it and then slide a bobby pin through your elastic and that piece of hair to hold it into place. Next, secure another small hair elastic about 4 fingers down, and then create a hole above your elastic, and you just want to flip your ponytail up and pull it through that hole you created, and this will make a topsy tail. I love how it almost looks like a fishtail braid, just easier. Next, pull on the sections on the outside of your braid to fan it out to make it appear larger, and this really makes the hairstyle pop. So you can stop here, but I created one more topsy tail bubble, and I finished off the look by wrapping a small piece of hair around my elastic. How cute and fun is this look? It's just so unique and beautiful, yet simple. So there we have it. My arms are so tired, but I really hope that you liked today's video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I would love to know which of these hairstyles is your favorite. If you are headed back to school, best of luck, and thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time.